Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see blocked lists on Snapchat. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your own Snapchat app. And what you're going to do here, you're going to just log in with your account on Snapchat. And basically, I haven't logged in since, forever. And just go ahead and allow notifications right here and allow the access to camera and everything. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and allow full access right here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just click, let me just allow access. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just I'm going to click the Bitmoji at the top left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click right here the Bitmoji. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just see right here multiple options. Click on the settings at the top right and just scroll a little bit down until you find the blocked users, and you can see it in the privacy and controls. Click on it, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here. This is your blocked list on your Snapchat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.